Hey everyone, welcome back to the Medicare Morning Show. Today we're going to tackle an important topic, Medicare and employer coverage. How do they work together or don't they? If you're approaching age 65 and still on an employer group plan, either through your job or your spouse's, this session is for you. Let's break it all down. First things first, just because you're eligible for Medicare at 65 doesn't mean you have to enroll right away. If you're covered by an employer plan, you've got options, but it all depends on the size of your employer. If your employer has 20 or more employees, your workplace insurance remains primary and Medicare is secondary. You can defer enrolling in Part A or Part B, but many people choose to sign up for Part A since it's free and helps with hospital costs. Remember, your employer plan will still handle the majority of claims. If your workplace has fewer than 20 employees, things change. Medicare becomes your primary coverage and your employer plan is secondary. That means you'll need to enroll in both Part A and Part B once you turn 65. Not enrolling could leave you with gaps in coverage and big out-of-pocket costs. In very rare cases, like some small employer plans these cities might allow you to stay on their insurance without enrolling in Medicare as primary coverage. But these situations are almost non-existent. 99.9% of the time, you'll need Medicare as your primary insurance. So what should you do? You see, it depends on a few key factors. How many employees are at your workplace? What are your current insurance costs? What does your coverage include? Is anyone else covered under your plan? If you're in a small group setting, you might consider switching entirely to Medicare with a supplement or Medicare Advantage plan. It all comes down to what makes the most sense financially and for your healthcare needs. Remember, knowing who pays first, your employer plan or Medicare, is critical. Misunderstandings here can lead to denied claims or unexpected bills. Always consult your benefits administrator or broker to confirm your coverage details. So there you have it, how Medicare and employer insurance work together. The number of employees at your workplace, 20 or more or fewer than 20, is the magic number that determines your path. It's a big decision, and so take the time to evaluate your options carefully. Thanks for tuning in to today's Medicare Morning Show. If you have questions about Medicare and employer coverage, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And check out our other videos for even more Medicare tips. See you next time.